As a beginner, if our motive is to get more sales from YouTube ads, then which goal should I choose between Maximize Conversions and CPV? All right. So those of you who are not sure about what is Maximize Conversions and CPV, Maximize Conversions is a bidding strategy where you're telling Google, get me as many conversions as possible at, I don't care about the, well, we do care about the cost, but don't care about the cost, and get me conversions as many as you can at any cost, right? CPV is the cost per view. How much are you prepared to pay for a view? So when somebody views your video and you're running a video campaign, if your goal is to get more sales or leads, in somebody else's case, I would go with max conversions initially. Get 40, 50, 100 conversions in that campaign. Then you will know your average CPA, right? How much are you getting a lead or a sale for? And then you set up your target CPA or target ROAS. So initially, I would recommend that you go with this.